Howdy!
We are from the Malaysian Student Association at Texas A&M University. We are one of the many recognized student organizations at Texas A&M.
Our purpose is promote Malaysia culture and provide general information regarding Malaysia to Aggies or any community members, especially in the Bryan College Station area who are interested in knowing our country, Malaysia.
For this year's virtual exhibition for Brazos Valley Worldfest, we decided to share how to make one of Malaysians' most favorite tea time snacks with everyone who's watching. The dish is easy to bake and it is called Pisang Goreng, which translates as banana fritters in English.
Before we show you how to make it, we would like to draw your attention to our attire. If you haven't noticed yet, we are wearing the Malay traditional clothes called baju kurung and baju Melayu.
The one that I'm wearing here has a slight modern twist in its design, that is, it has a princess cut. The original design is worn very loosely. It can be made of fabrics of different colors or patterns. In this case, this is red in color.
However, for a baju Melayu, it is usually made of unicolor fabrics. These are two-piece garments, which means that they consist of a top and a bottom part. The full baju Melayu is worn with a third part here, worn on the waist.
We hope that you enjoy learning about Malay traditional clothes. Let's go to the kitchen now to make Pisang Goreng. There are many versions of Pisang Goreng recipes. We are going to use this simple and delicious recipe in this video. Here are the ingredients that you will need. A bunch of bananas, make sure they are ripe but not too ripe. A cup of flour, half cup of rice flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 cups of cold water, 3 tablespoons of butter or cooking oil, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and cooking oil for frying. First things first, add 4 cups of cooking oil into your frying pan. Well, depending on the size of your pan or pot, just make sure that the bananas will be fully covered in the oil. Heat it up at medium heat and you can work on the batter next while waiting for the oil to heat up. So to make the batter, add the flour and the rice flour into your mixing bowl. Then whisk and mix the flour together. Next, add in the iced cold water, about 1 1/4 cups of it, and mix everything again. This is the consistency that we are looking for at this point. Then, prepare 3 tablespoons of butter. In this video, we actually used plant-based butter. You would need to microwave it a few times in 10-second intervals, and then add it into the mixture in the bowl. Whisk the mixture again and you'll see that the consistency is less thick now. To give it a nice golden color, add in a half teaspoon of turmeric powder into the mixture and mix it well again. Finally, add in the salt and mix it well. Now your batter is ready to meet the bananas. For the bananas, you can slice each into 2 long halves and cut the halves into 2 as shown here. It's really up to you, but Pisang Goreng is nicer if it's thin. That's why we slice it into halves. So if you don't want to cut the halves, it's okay too, but we do recommend slicing the bananas. Next, let's fry them bananas. But first, put some of the sliced and cut bananas into the batter. Make sure they are fully covered with the batter and make sure that the oil is heated up. Be very careful and place the coated bananas in the oil. Fry until the color turns golden brown. Take them out and place them on a paper towel to remove excess oil and allow them to cool down a bit. Fry the rest of the bananas until there are no more left. While frying, you can make the sauce for it, or you can wait until you're done frying. Malaysians love chili peppers and spicy food, so most Malaysians would dip Pisang Goreng in spicy sauce when eating it. This is optional, but if you would like to try, this is how we make the spicy sauce. So you will need 2 to 3 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 or 2 chili peppers, this is optional, about half cup of sweet soy sauce, 3 to 5 drops of lime juice, and a dash of sugar and salt. This is also optional. Well, in this video, we did not have chili peppers available, so we did not include them, but you could, if you'd like. Fry the crushed garlic and chili peppers, if you'd like, with a little oil for a few minutes. Transfer into a mortar and crush the fried garlic and chili peppers using the pestle. If you don't have a mortar and pestle set, it's okay. Just crush it with the bottom of a coffee mug. That's how I usually do it because I don't own one. This set is actually my friend's. We're just using this to demonstrate how Malaysians usually do it back in Malaysia. Once you have crushed the garlic and chili peppers, add in the sweet soy sauce. Mix it for a bit, and next, add the lime juice. Mix it again, and you can try and taste it. If you already like the taste, it is ready, but if you think it needs more sugar and salt, go ahead and add a bit more. So there you have it. Just dip the pisang goreng in the sauce and enjoy it. Of course, if you don't like the sauce or if you prefer to eat it on its own, you can definitely do that too.
There you go. That is how we make pisang goreng. Pretty simple, right? We hope you enjoyed the video and give the recipe a try.
And if you haven't noticed, we are now wearing a different set of traditional attire. This set here is called baju kebaya, and for men, this here is called baju batik, which is sometimes worn by those working in government offices on Thursdays.
We hope that you enjoyed watching this video and learned something from it. Please feel free to contact us if you would like to get more information about us through our Instagram page, email, or website.
Enjoy the virtual exhibitions and stay
Stay safe,
safe, y'all!
y'all.